In this video, we are going to see a story, Buju's Brave Adventure. Already you learned a word, adventure. Yes, adventure means brave and bold. So, Buju's Brave Adventure. Let us see that. On a nice winter morning, Buju's family set on a trip to the nearby hill. Yes, during holidays we used to plan for a picnic, isn't it? Like that, Buju's family they plan a trip to near to the hill. Buju's cousin Appu, Bala, Surya and Janani accompanied him. Even Appu, Bala, Surya, Janani all have joined with them. Okay, accompanied means going somewhere with somebody. Okay, the kids were so excited to explore the place. Yes, if you go for any place, you will be excited, isn't it? Like that, they too were very excited. Explore means already you learned the word travel to unknown area to learn about it. Okay, so they want to know that place. So they were very excited. All have reached the hill. Mother said, "Look, kids, be around us. Never go anywhere alone." Because it's a new place. So she said that be around us, don't go anywhere alone. All the kids said, "Yes, ma." Then Janani said, "Ma, see the waterfall." So if you see the waterfall, what will you do? You will be very excited and that time itself you like to go there, isn't it? Then what mother said, first have your breakfast, then we will go there. First come and have your breakfast, then I will take you there. She said that. Then Buju's mother started unpacking the food. She unpacked all the food. That means she took all those things and kept out. Meanwhile, the kids could not wait for the parents to take them to the waterfall. But the kids could not wait there because they have seen the waterfalls. They want to go there. So they ran away without informing the parents. So what they did without informing the parents, they ran away. Will you do like that? Yes, we should not do like that. Run, run, run. All were running. Appu, oh, I feel too hungry. I have only one gova. I shall eat it myself. What he said? He was very hungry because they did not have their breakfast. Then he said, I have only one gova. Let me eat now. When Appu was eating the gova, Surya, "Hey Appu, what are you eating?" Then Appu replied, "Nothing, Surya." And Appu swallowed and got hiccups. Okay, suddenly he swallowed the gova. So if for swallow means what will happen? Yes, we get hiccups. You know hiccups? Yes, these are hiccups. So if you get hiccups means what will you do? You drink water. Yes, so Appu also wanted to drink water. So Surya and Appu returned to their parents. They want to have water, so they return to their parents. While they are returning, they met father. "Where did you go? What about others?" Father asked, "Where did you go? What about others?" Appu and Surya said, "Don't worry, Pa. They are playing nearby. Don't worry. They are playing nearby only." Without noticing, the other three kept running towards the waterfall. All the other three, they did not notice Appu and Surya. They were running towards the waterfall. There Bala and Janani got diverted on the seeing a naughty monkey. So on your way, if you say anything means what will you do? You will divert. Divert means turn from one direction to another direction. Bala and Janani also changed their direction without following Buju. They were stopped there and saw the naughty monkey. Bala and Janani went near to the monkey. Janani said, "Look at that naughty monkey. Let us act like it and have fun. Come, let us do like the monkey and make a fun." And Bala said, "I feel very hungry. Let us go." He said that, "I feel so hungry. Let us go." As Bala and Janani felt hungry, they returned to parents. So they too returned to parents. But Bujju sped towards the waterfall. Sped means past tense of speed. He was going very fast to the waterfall. He was shocked to see that no one was there. After reaching the waterfall, no one was there. If no one was with humans, how do you feel in a new place? Yes, we used to get scared, isn't it? And Bujju said, "Oh no, I am alone. Surya, Appu, Janani, Bala, where are you guys?" He called his friends. Is that a roar of a lion? He heard a sound and he himself asked that, "Is that a roar of a lion?" "Mommy!" he shouted. If we are in his place, we too scare. On his way, he finds big footprints. So himself he said, "I shouldn't be afraid. I should not get afraid. Let me find a way. I will find a way. I think these footprints will help me." Yes, if we follow the footprints means we'll reach the place, isn't it? So he thought himself that these footprints will be helpful. Bujju followed the footprints. "I think these should be Appu's footprints." He thought that this should be Appu's footprints. At last, Bujju reached the place where the parents were. Bujju's mother asked, "Bujju, where were you? I was so worried." Yes, if you miss somewhere means your parents will worried now. Yes, like that. Bujju's mother also worried. And Bujju replied, "Yes, ma, I have found you all at last. At last, I found you all." Now Bujju realized his mistake, that he should not go alone without informing parents. He understood his mistake, that because without informing his parents, he went, isn't it? So he understood his mistake, that without informing parents, he should not go anywhere. So children, without informing your parents, if you go anywhere like Bujju, you will be missed. So children, wherever you go, you inform your parents. You go with your parents.